children. Let's see if you've got everything. Here are the ingredients. You'll need 1 banana, a glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a knife, and a mixer, of course. OK, ready? Well, first, peel the banana. Now, cut the banana in slices. Be careful. Don't cut your fingers. Now, throw the slices into the mixer. After that, pour the glass of milk into the mixer. Add a little sugar. 1 teaspoonful only. It mustn't be too sweet. Then mix everything. That's it! A banana milkshake. Now, pour it into the glass and drink it. It's delicious. Now, be very careful. I'll repeat the instructions a second time. 1. Peel the banana. 2. Cut the banana in slices. 3. Throw the slices into the mixer. 4. Pour in the milk. 5. Add the sugar. 6. Mix everything. 7. Pour into a glass. 8. Drink. Goodbye, everybody. Meet me again next week, same day, same time, for another delicious recipe.